Ready to explore the most beautiful object in the night sky? Time to understand more about the planet Saturn. Let's now discover the planet Saturn. With its massive spinning ring system consisting mostly of ice particles with a smaller amount of rocky debris and dust, Saturn is one of the most beautiful objects in the night sky. A little smaller than Jupiter, it is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in our solar system. How big are Saturn's rings? Saturn's magnificent rings span a distance of over 300,000 kilometers with an average thickness of around 1 kilometer. They are made up of millions of icy particles with some combinations of dust and other chemicals. The particles range in size from a grain of sugar to the size of a house. Astronomers once thought that Saturn's rings were the result of an icy moon that came too close to Saturn and broke up. However, recent research has shown that the particles in the rings differ in age, making some astronomers believe that the rings weren't created during a one-off event, but that material is constantly coming together to form moonlets, which then break up again, creating a recycling process. How large is Saturn? Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It has an equatorial diameter of over 120,000 kilometers. It is thought that its interior is similar to that of Jupiter, having a small rocky core surrounded mostly by hydrogen and helium. Like Jupiter, Saturn has about 75% hydrogen and 24% helium with traces of water and other elements. How far is Saturn from Earth? The sixth planet from the Sun, Saturn, is an average of 1.3 million kilometers from Earth. It takes almost an hour and a half for radio signals, which travel at the speed of light, to reach Saturn if sent from Earth. Saturn is over 1.4 million kilometers from the Sun, almost twice as far as Jupiter, and takes 29 Earth years to orbit the Sun. What is Saturn's largest moon? Saturn has dozens of orbiting moons ranging in size, shape, and age. The largest of its moon is Titan, which is over 5,000 kilometers in diameter and is the only natural satellite in the solar system to have its own atmosphere. It orbits Saturn around once every 16 days. Can Saturn be spotted in the sky? Saturn can be viewed with the naked eye, but without the aid of a telescope, it can be tricky to spot against the background of stars. The giveaway sign of any planet is that it doesn't twinkle like stars do. If you view Saturn through a telescope, you may be able to see its beautiful rings and make out its distinctive, bulging equator. Fun facts: Saturn spins so fast that forces cause the equator to bulge outwards. This planet's density is so small that it would float on water. Saturn's rings are made from icy chunks. That's it, learning friends. Hopefully you learned a lot about the planet Saturn. See you again next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.